Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Beat, your go-to channel for fun, fast, and fabulous English learning. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we're diving into something super exciting. Master everyday English phrases in minutes. If you're an English learner feeling overwhelmed by tricky expressions, don't worry, I've got your back. By the end of this episode, you'll be chatting like a native and feeling like a total rock star. Let's jump right in. Imagine you're at a coffee shop and the barista says, "What's up? Do you freeze?" That's the magic of everyday English. It makes conversations flow like a smooth beat. No more boring textbooks. We're keeping it simple and fun. First, let's start with the basics. These are the entry tickets to any conversation. Phrase number 1, how's it going? To make this sound natural, try saying it like, how's it going? It's a casual way to say, how are you? Imagine bumping into a friend at the park. They say, how's it going? You reply, pretty good, thanks. Just enjoying the sunshine? Simple, right? Next up, what's new? This is perfect for catching up. It means, tell me about recent things in your life. If nothing has changed, you can always say, same old, same old. It's like admitting your life is as predictable as a rerun TV show. Moving on to small talk. Phrase 3, break the ice. This means to start a conversation in an awkward situation, like at a party where you don't know anyone. You might say, let's break the ice with a joke. Everyday English is full of these idioms that paint pictures in your mind. Phrase 4, shoot the breeze. This means to have a casual chat. We call it a breeze because the conversation is light and easy. Have you ever shot the breeze with someone and made a new friend? Let's keep the energy up. Phrase 5, hit the hay. This doesn't mean punching grass. It means going to bed. It sounds way cooler than I'm going to sleep. Try it tonight and feel like an English pro. Now, for something inspirational. Learning these phrases is about confidence. Every time you use one correctly, you're one step closer to fluency. You can do this. Phrase 6, piece of cake. This means something is very easy. That test was a piece of cake. Practice with me. Learning English is a piece of cake on the English beat. Phrase 7, bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult situation bravely. Life throws challenges, but biting the bullet builds character. You've got this. Let's switch to agreeing. Phrase 8, you bet. This means absolutely. If a friend asks, want to grab pizza? You say, you bet. Phrase 9, on the same page. This means agreeing on a plan. If you aren't agreeing, you might say, we're on different pages. Phrase 10, call it a day. This means to stop working. We've done enough, let's call it a day. Now for a few more favorites. Phrase 11, spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. Come on, spill the beans about the surprise. Phrase 12, under the weather. This means feeling sick. You aren't literally under a cloud. It's just a way to say you're unwell. Phrase 13, kill two birds with one stone. This means achieving two things at once, like exercising while you walk to work. Phrase 14, cost an arm and a leg. This means something is very expensive. That car costs an arm and a leg. Don't worry, we only pay in cash, not limbs. And finally, phrase 15, the ball is in your court. This means it's your turn to act. I've shared the phrases. Now the ball is in your court to practice. Whew, we covered a lot. Let's do a quick quiz. What does hit the hay mean? That's right, it means going to bed. And piece of cake? You got it. Easy. On the English Beat, we believe anyone can master English with practice and fun. You're not just learning, you're transforming. Subscribe for more and share this with a friend. Until next time, keep beating that English drum. This is Sarah signing off. Stay inspired.